Good morning students. Class 10 General Mathematics video number 82 exercise 10.2. Okay. So question number 12. There is written a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle. That means ABC is the triangle which is circumscribing a circle. That means that circle is inside the triangle. That circle is inside the triangle. And that all the sides of the triangle are touching the circle at point. That means BC is touching at B, AC is touching at E, AB is touching at E, and AC is touching at F point. Okay, and that radius already given. So that's why there is written 4, 4, 4. And we have joined what? OC, OB, OA. So 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. BD length is 8 centimeter, CD length is 6 centimeter. These two measurement already given, and these two we have written because CD and CF are pair of tangent which are drawn from same external point C. That's why these two are equal. So direct written 6 centimeter equal to 6 centimeter. Because what diagram itself is the part of the solution. So some measurement we can show in the diagram. Some measurement we can show in the diagram also, no problem. So BD equal to BE. So by theorem already we know pair of tangent which are drawn from same external point to the circle. So we can write 8 centimeter equal to 8 centimeter. This measurement already written in the question. This one not written in the question. We have given. Okay. Why given? Because we know this pair of tangent are drawn from same external point, and that measurement already right and shown in the diagram. Because this diagram is under a solution. Clear? So, radius 4, 4, 4 written, OA, OB, OC already joined. We have to find AC measurement and AB measurement. We have to find AC measurement and AB measurement because BC already given. 8 plus 6 equal to 14. This one already given in the diagram. Just you see the question in the book. Okay. So, CF measurement we have. B measurement we have. We have to declare AF and AE. We have to declare AF and AE. So AF equal to X, AE equal to X. We have declared this measurement because these two are unknown. If we will get AF measurement and AE measurement, then we will get AB measurement and AC measurement. So our target is what? We have to find X value. These two value we have to find. And same written. Why written? Same. Because A is the external point from where we have drawn one pair of tangent AF and AE. This one pair of tangent is drawn from same external point. So X. These two measurement is same. Okay. So these two measurement same. So our target is what? We have to find X value. So that's why just we have written introduction about the diagram. Whatever things just I am saying here. Same thing we have written in the introduction part. What written? ABC is a triangle which circumscribes a circle of radius OD equal OE equal OF. Already shown here. OD equal to OE equal to OF. Why equal? Because radius of same circle. Radius of same circle are same. So OD equal OE equal OF equal to 4 centimeter. Come on. Where sides AB, BC, CA. These three are the three sides of the triangle. And these three sides is touching the circle at points of contact E, E, D and F. Just you see the diagram. AB touching the circle at point E, BE, BC, BC touching the circle at point D. See the diagram. D, CA touching the circle at point F, CA touching the circle at point F. So all the touching point written there in the introduction, and these OF, OE, OD are the radius of same circle, so they are equal, and this measurement already given. So 4, 4, 4, same to same measurement. Okay. Now see, such that we already this measurement given, CD measurement 6 centimeter given, but CF measurement not given in the question. Okay, we have given this measurement 6. Why given? Because these two are the pair of tangents which are drawn from same external point. So these two measurement equal. CD equal to CF, same to same, BD equal to B. 8 centimeter written in the question, but we have given B equal to 8 centimeter because it is under solution. Okay, it is a part of the solution. Diagram is the part of the solution. So we can write that measurement here and represent. Okay, these two things already mentioned there. CD equal to CF equal to 6 centimeter and BD equal to BE equal to 8 centimeter as a as a pair of tangents drawn from same external point to a circle. Why written equal? So that reason also in the side just we have mentioned. Okay, so these two are equal and these two are equal. Why equal? As a pair of tangents drawn from same external point to a circle. That's why we have written this measurement are equal and represent in the diagram. Okay. Now to find, we need to find AB and AC. AB measurement and AC measurement. That means x plus 6 value and x plus 8 value we need to find. And BC measurement already given. Next step. So we have declared what? AF and AE measurement is XX. We have declared. So let AF equal to AE equal to x centimeter as pair of tangents drawn from same external point to a circle. Y equal written according to this reason. These two are equal. Just written. After that, just we have found the area of triangle ABC triangle area. Whole area we have found by using Heron's formula. So Heron's formula already I taught in class 9. Already you know what is Heron's formula? Root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So there we have to declare what? Declare what? Three sides A, B, C. Heron's formula A, Heron's formula B, Heron's formula C. That means in the Heron's formula A means AB equal to x plus 8. Just to see the diagram, AB equal to x plus 8. Then small letter B. In Heron's formula B is there or no? So B equal to BC equal to 6 plus 8. BC equal to 6 plus 8 equal to 14 centimeter. Then C. In Heron's formula C is there. Small letter C is there. C equal to AC. C equal to AC equal to x plus 6 centimeter, x plus 6. So these three measurement already declared. After that we have to find S. In Heron's formula S is there or no? S? Yes. So S means half of the perimeter of a triangle. Half of the perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter means what? Sum of three sides. Sum of three sides of the triangle is called perimeter. That means boundary line. Is not it? How much space is occupied by the triangle, that is called area. And that length of the boundary AB plus BC plus AC. This length of the boundary is called perimeter. So half of the perimeter is declared as S in Heron's formula. So S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A is what? A is x plus 8, just to put here. B is 14, just to put here. C is x plus 6, just to put here. Do the calculation. So x plus x twice x. And here 14, 8 plus 6 equal to 14. 14 plus 14, 20. After that, from these two terms, you take common 2. Then inside the bracket, there is left x plus 14. Again, you see x into 2, 2x. 14 into 2, 20. So 2, 2 cancel. 2, 2 just you cut. Then there is left x plus 14. As well getting. So now we apply Heron's formula. Area, AR means area of triangle ABC equal to root over. Write down Heron's formula. And from this list, just you put here the value. Clear? So x equal to x plus 14. Already you got here x plus 14. Just you put in the place of s, x plus 14. Then written s minus a. S is x plus 14 and a value is x plus 8 actually. But in the front side there is minus or not. That's why that a is what? X plus 8. That sign will be changed. If you multiply both the terms with this minus sign. Okay, so that's why minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. That means like this you see, here you see. Minus x plus 8, like this. So just direct multiplying and writing. X plus minus minus. Minus into plus minus. Like this. Direct multiplying and writing. Okay. So minus x minus 8. Clear now? Next one, see x plus 14. S is x plus 14 and B is what? Only 14. B means BC. BC is what? 8 plus 6 equal to 14. So just you write here 14. Clear? Then S is x plus 14 and C is what? X plus 6. but C sign is what? Minus. That's why both the sign will be changed. So minus x minus 6. Next step. Plus x minus x cancel. Plus 14 minus 14 cancel. Plus x minus x cancel. Cancel means their value is 0. X minus x same value minus same value. 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus 3 0. 4 minus 4 0. Same minus same 0. So that's why cart and shoe. Now see, x plus 14, here getting what? 14 minus 8 equal to 6. Here we are getting x, in middle there is into, then x cancel, 14 minus 6 equal to 8. Then by the calculation you will get root over 48x, x plus 14, statement number 1. So it is the area of the triangle ABC. It is statement number 1. Again we will find area of same triangle by another process. So area of same triangle ABC, another process is what? Area of AOB. See, area of AOB plus area of BOC plus area of AOC. Sum of these three triangle area. Sum of these three triangle area is equal to ABC. So just we have found that way. And there we have to apply what? Area of triangle formula, half into base into height, half into base into height or altitude. Okay? So area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle AOB, then area of triangle BOC, then area of triangle AOC. That means one triangle AOB, then BOC, then AOC. Sum of these three triangles. And in case of AOB, base is AB, height is OE. In case of triangle BOC, base is BC, height is OD. In case of triangle AOC, base is AC, height is OF. Is not it? And these things just you have put here, just to see. Half into base into height plus for this, half into base into half into height into base plus half into height into base plus half into height into base. It is for this triangle, this part for this triangle, this part for this triangle. Written? Next step, see, half. OE measurement is 4. OE is the radius of the circle. OE equal OD equal OF. All are 4, 4, 4. In the introduction part already mentioned they are 4. So that's why written OE equal to 4, OD equal to 4, OF equal to 4. Clear? Next step. Next step what? 4 you cut with 2. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. Okay, then 2AB, 2BC, 2AC in middle plus. Then 2 you take common, then here left AB plus BC plus AC. So AB is x plus 8, BC is 14, AC is x plus 6. Then you do the calculation, x plus x twice x, and 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 14, 28. Okay, then from these two terms you take common 2. If you take common 2 and outside there is 2. So 2 to the 4 and x plus 14, which is statement number 2. So it is the area of triangle ABC. This one also area of triangle ABC. So both the areas are related to same triangle. So these two areas will be what? Equal. So by statement number 1 and 2, both areas are equal. This area equal to this area. Okay. So now we have to remove what? Square root. So both sides squaring. Then this square root will be cancelled. This square root will be cancelled. After that you get 48x into x plus 14 equal to 4 square equal to 16 into x plus 14, because there is given square, so x plus 14 whole square. X plus 14 whole square. So x plus 14 into x plus 14, 2 times you write, because there is given whole square. Then after finishing this much, then you go to here. Okay. Now see 48x into x plus 14. So this x plus 14 you shift to right side. Shift to what? Right side. So these two are the factor of this part and these things are the factor of this part. So any one factor you shift to another side, that means this factor will divide the value of another side. So we have shifted that x plus 14 to right side. Then if you shift x plus 14 to right side, then it will divide the right side value. So it will divide the right side value. Divided. So x plus 14 cut. Left 16 16x plus into plus plus 16 into 14, 16 into 14, then 48x, then 16x, 48x. These two are the like terms, keeping same sign. These two are the like terms. Like terms you know already. Same power, same variable. Same power, same variable. Then these two terms are called like terms. So here power is 1, variable x, same power, same variable. So keeping same sign. So 16x shift to left side, then it will be minus 48x minus 16x equal to 32x, and here you will get 16 into 14. Now here you see, both sides you see 32 into x. These two are the factor of right hand side. Again, these two are the factor of left hand side. Okay. Now we have to find x value. So we have to shift 32. We have to shift 32 to what? Right side. So this one is a factor. If you shift any one factor to right side, then this factor will divide the right side value. So 32 shift to right side, and 32 will divide 16 into 14. 16 into 14. After this, you go here. Then see 32 shifted to right side, and 32 will divide 16 into 14. Then you do katakuti, you do then 16 to the 32, and by 2 you cut 14. 2 7 are 14, getting x value 7. X value 7. After this, you go here. Okay. Then see, our target is what? Already we are getting x value 7. X value 7. Then AB equal to x plus 8. It is our target. We have to find AB value and AC value. So AB equal to x plus 8. So x value is 7 getting here. X value 7 getting, just you put in the place of x 7. 7 plus 8 equal to 15, and AC equal to x plus 6. X value is 7. 7 plus 6 equal to 13 centimeter. That's all. That way you get what AB measurement and AC measurement this much. Okay, that's all.